In today's video, we will be talking about Redux Thunk. Yesterday, we talked about Redux Logger and Middleware. So today we are going to talk about Redux Thunk. Basically, Redux Thunk is a middleware that allows us to return functions rather than just actions within Redux. So this allows for delayed actions, including working with promises. You might know about promises. It is a basic concept in JavaScript. One of the main use cases for this middleware is for handling actions that might not be synchronous. For example, using axios to send a GET request. Redux Thunk allows us to dispatch actions asynchronously and resolve each promise that gets returned. So, to install Redux Thunk, we are first going to run a command into our terminal. So, it will be npm install Redux Thunk. And 2 dashes, and then we are writing save. So this is the process. If you are using yarn, then you will have to run the command yarn add Redux Thunk in the command line. Because it is a Redux tool, so we will also have to set up Redux like we did with our other middleware and Redux Logger. So we will enable it using applyMiddleware, same as we have done in the last video. You might ask, why do I need to use a middleware or Thunk? So with a plain basic Redux store, we can only do simple synchronous updates. For example, we press the add button and the state gets updated. Middleware extends the store's ability and lets us write async logic that interacts with the store. Thunks are the recommended middleware for basic Redux side effect logic, including complex synchronous logic that needs access to the store and simple async logic like AJAX request. Thunk is useful in writing logic in the Redux docs and a lot more. So we will be looking at an example very soon after we understand basically what is Thunk. Asynchronous actions like asynchronous API calls to fetch data from an endpoint and use that data in our application. We will also talk about the axios library or package which is used to make the GET request to an API endpoint. In the next video, we are going to do a live example of doing an API call using Thunk. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.